Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. My name's Dakota and today we're going to be painting and drawing cute, easy florals. We're going to start with Strathmore watercolor paper. It's a 5x7, 140 pounds, 100% cotton. It's pre-cut in the package. We're going to be using a pencil, kneaded eraser, Winsor Newton Cotman, watercolor set, 2 cups of water, towel, tape, and a 0.3mm waterproof pen. You can use any pen that you wish. Just make sure that it's waterproof because going over it with the watercolor paint, you don't want it to smudge. I know it's light again. With pencil you can't push down too hard, so I do apologize you can't see too much of it, but I will go over it with the waterproof pen and you'll be able to see it more clearly. We're just doing some simple florals, different angles and directions of the floral so that they're not all the same. We're going to add in some buds, some stems, and then we'll add some line detail as well. So now we are going to tape the sides of the paper down so that it doesn't buckle when we add the water and watercolor. So I have a little spray bottle and I'm just spraying water around the paper. Not everywhere, but mostly everywhere. And then we're going to take some yellow and green. You can use any colors you want. And I'm just going to splash on the paint in all around. I'm not wanting to really fill in the flower petals. More, I just want the color all around. And we will blend in the splatters just to add more color into the background, and then we will go over it again with more splatters so that you have a more solid color background with the splatters on top. Alrighty, so now we're taking the heat tool. If you don't have one, you can just let it dry naturally. I like to use a heat tool to speed up the drying process. I don't have the patience. So I'm also going over the tape as well to make sure when I peel the tape off, it doesn't tear or rip the watercolor paper as well, because this is not washi tape, so it is a stronger adhesive to it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.